Student project A7 is going to create a tree map chart. Be sure and click on the white area to make sure nothing else is selected. And then you can choose your map style. In this case, we're going to choose the tree map. And then we can drag the tree map up into the top position. And then we're going to drop some of the data into the tree map area. So in this case, we can drop the customer type either into the chart itself or into the bucket. In this case, we're going to put it into the group bucket. And then we can put the discount amount into the values bucket. And also the tree map is very similar to a pie chart. It just gives us a box for the larger amounts of information. So the larger the box, the larger the information that's being stored in that box.